Hello all. Welcome to another tutorial where we'll show how to create a jewelry shop website using Gutenberg templates from Templately. To get started, navigate to the Templately tab from your WordPress admin dashboard and select the Template Library option. Select the Gutenberg option from drop-down to load Gutenberg templates only. Type jewelry in the search bar and hit enter. Doing so will only show the jewelry-related templates in the search results. Select your desired template from the result. In this video, we have chosen Sparkle, a starter WooCommerce jewelry shop template for Gutenberg. You can now explore all the blocks and pages of your selected template. Click on the Live Demo button to explore through a preview. Once you've decided to use the template, click on the Insert Full Site button to use the entire template for your WordPress website. Input the site title and site tagline and click on the Continue button to move to the next step. Now, Templately will show you the list of the required dependencies for the template. Click on Install and proceed to avoid anything that's missing. That's it. Once your website is ready, you will get a success message. Click on the Visit Your Website button to proceed. As you can see, our web page now matches the look of our selected Sparkle template. To customize it further, click on the Edit page on the top bar. Now, you can select a block and edit it. Here, we have selected a Flipbox block. Under the General tab, modify the front image settings. Adjust the image size below. Under Flipbox content, you can add a front title. From back image settings, upload a back image, adjust the image size, etc. Customize the page anywhere you want like this. Click on the Save button on the top to save all the changes and you are done. Let's find out how to add a header and footer. Go to the dashboard and navigate to the Theme Builder from Templately tab. Select the Sparkle header section and click on the Edit Conditions button. From the drop-down menus, you can choose to include or exclude the selected page or section in the entire site, archive or singular. Click on the Edit button to personalize the page or section. Click on the Save button once you are done. Similarly, you can customize the footer. Here is the final preview showing all our applied customization. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated. All the best to your jewelry business.